What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. We are inside of the Container Cafe right now, summing up some needed things, touch-up work, and cleaning up everything, throwing away stuff we don't need, and getting everything lined out. So that's what we're doing now. Been cleaning the stuff out of here, and stuff the awning. I got one more awning to put in here for the back door. But we're getting all this stuff in here squared out for the booth. Getting everything squared out, lined up way. So that way we clean. On and off grid power. My guys painted the inside of the door. It was actually easier to take it off, shoot it real quick, and be done with it. See how quick we doing that? And that's a good paint gun they got, which y'all know I got one of those. Thing right there is excellent. So that's what we doing. Doing the small stuff to get everything together. Right here getting the hog on, y'all. Got my bad generator here. 0 hours on it. My baby on and off road. We're gonna get it on and off grid, man. We're out here networking, family. We got our power supply right here. What we plug in. Keep a lock on there just in case. Can't nobody mess with your stuff. But yeah, it's plenty of options, man, to how to actually line your stuff out and get it like you want it. We're starting to build our independence coming into 2021. This is the container conversion, and our goal is to help you build yours. This is actually a 40-foot container conversion. It's a 40-foot high cube that we cut in half, and we made 2 units. This one of the units right here is the cafe, and the other unit is right over here. We sold to this lady for her shop. So she actually used it for extra storage. So we used 1 unit and made 2 units. And that's what you can do to start your business coming into 2021. It's all about imagining your container, products over talent. So keep that in mind this year as you network, as you build your independence, knowing there's nothing we can't do. So just keep that in mind, man. Keep getting your hog on. I'll be giving y'all some updates. Like I say, it's all about building your independence this year. All about it. Just keep that in mind. Hog on.